Welcome to SubMagic AI. In this video, I am going to show you how to add GIFs automatically to your YouTube video. So, just click on Try for free. Sign up with your Google account. Once you've signed up and logged in, you'll be on this screen right here. Here, you can drag or drop to upload your video. But one thing you need to know that you can upload just 2-minute long and under 200 MB video. Click here. Select Video, and press Open to drop your video here. Now here, you can change your video title. Also change language for captions. Click on Upload button to upload your video. It takes some time for uploading. Also generate captions for your video. Now here, select B-rolls option. And here, as you can see, each caption has this tiny image symbol. Click on it. It gives you the option to add GIFs or image to your video. Click on this blank GIFs. And search here that you want to add GIFs to your video. Select any one. And click to apply. You can also change its position and its size that you want. Once again, click on Apply. You can add GIFs to every caption. Just click on this tiny image symbol. If you want to use SubMagic for free, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.